Our technology came out of research at Carnegie Mellon University, right? Two of my co-founders, Gas and Julia, are faculty there. So a lot of the work they started with was using generative adversarial networks, GANs, to do this at a scale, at high performance and so on. Then over time, we also realized that transformers come into play in certain cases. And then in the newer models, like state space models, like Mamba, that originated actually at CDO as well. They all could play a different role. So we built a multi-model, right? So we're not attached to one model, but we can use what is relevant for that data, that requirement, and all that, right?
Today, everybody are saying SaaS is going to be dead. Because every, Cloud Release, Cloud Code, Cloud Coworker, Cloud this, Cloud that, and then GPT has its own things. In your type of business, in my opinion, it's very hard to replicate because you're not just a SaaS engine, you're more of a data company. So your value prop is the data itself. It's not just the software, if you will. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, Arvind, I think it's a $1.6 trillion question, right? We just saw last week, saw an article that 1.6 trillion in software market cap went down. No, it's up for debate.
I envision a world where 5 years from now, maybe I will have my agent do this podcast on my behalf, and it'll talk as eloquent as me. And then you'll have your agent come to my show. Now we have an agent to agent conversation, and then another agent to go edit my video. 2 hours later, I have Girish's video on my YouTube channel.
And see where, AI can help. And then within that, see what data that you need to augment, make it all work really well for you.
Yep.
The tools are available today, right? All you need to connect these dots. Then the platforms like ours and others can, fill in those gaps for you very quickly. I think same way, that's the message that I would love to pass on to, enterprise leaders is a lot of these things are doable. You just need to know you want to do it.
One small step for a man, one big step for an enterprise is what Mr. Girish says today. All right. Very good. Very good. Absolutely enjoyed this conversation. It is very, very clear that, synthetic data, which I used 2 years ago to create just for my own testing agents, has now become from a niche concept to more of a strategic imperative. So I wish you well. You guys are doing a fascinating job, and I wish I can see a lot more of Rockfish everywhere. So good luck to you and your team. And thank you for coming on my show.
Again, thank you so much. It's such a privilege. Awesome talking to you. And, you keep rocking. You're